The ground, yeah, they do for do. I just met my soulmate in a stolen coupe. The contact I
Guys, welcome to the fourth video of Zero to Hero at Celery Django. And in this video we will create a task, which we will create a periodic task which will send email to a person whose email is not verified in 2 hours. So like we will create a task, like suppose a user is being registered and he hasn't verified the email yet in the span of 2 hours, or the 2 hour like 2 hours have been passed and he hasn't verified the email. So send an email, you haven't verified your email account, and please verify. So in this video we will create a periodic task. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. And I have a very powerful and a great extension for you, like Sorcery. It's an extension for the refactoring your code. Yeah, your code looks like a more human readable, and it's totally free. You can install the plugin and use in VS Code PyCharm. The link will be in the description section. Let's move on to the code. And for the saving time, I have created a profile model just to make like this profile model is being used as a authentication part, and I haven't added like use custom user model because I need to do a lot of stuff like creating, then we have to send a signal, a lot of stuff. So I have definitely just think like this is a model which is going to store the user data, and this has field like email token is verified, created and updated. And for generating token, I have used UUID, that is like generating a unique ID. Okay, so I have overridden a save method which will like generate a UUID token for once the model is saved. Okay, so like let's create a task file in this home folder, and let me just add a task file. And let's go to the let's import the app model, like app variable which which has all the Celery things. Let's import this app in the task.py, and do like from core.celery import app. So we have imported the app. Let's create a function which will like let's create a task. So we need to add a decorator app.task. Okay, so like we have created a and app.task. We have to pass the name, and the name is like send verification. So after this, let's get all the objects. Def send notification, we can change the name of the app like task send notification, and it will just surround the try catch what. Let's import the profile model from dot models import profile, and we need to get all the profile object whose email is not verified in like 2 hours. So we can do like we have to import the time. So let's import date time, and we need to create a variable time threshold, and date time dot now minus of time delta, and we will pass the hours which are hours like 2 hours. And okay, so we are getting the time threshold. So exception except as e print e. So we have got time, and we need to grab the profile object, profile objs is equal to profile dot objects dot filter, and we need to like pass the time threshold in this one. Oh, and we can do like created at underscore underscore gte, and whose time is greater at time threshold. So like this will get all the objects from the profile object whose email is not verified in the time span, and we need to like add one more field, is verified is equal to false. So like this is a query for getting all the profile object whose profile is not verified in the 2 hour span, and we need to grab we need to loop for profile obj in profile objs. So now we will write our send email thing, and we need to import from django.core.mail import send underscore mail, and from django.conf import settings. Okay, so like I have already added the email settings in our Django admin section. This is a email setting. You can copy paste this thing and you can like write it down also. So let's again go to the this one. So like we have to create a subject, notification, your account is not verified, and email underscore from is equal to settings dot email underscore host underscore user. Okay, and list is equal to email, and we will use send mail function to send the mail, and we will pass subject message email from, and messages will be like subject is this, and we need to add a message. Your account is not verified, and for email we can do like profile obj dot email, and reception list we can pass it from here. So like this is a function for sending email, and we need to add this task inside our you can say like we need to add this task inside our app. So we will again go to our salary.py. we need to add one thing like app.auto discover task, and lambda settings dot installed app. Let me tell you what I am doing. So like we are grabbing all the tasks which are being created in separate apps. So it will like app.auto discover all the it will auto discover all the tasks which are being in the list. Like if we have some sort of task in this app, if we have some sort of task in this app, it will just grab all the tasks. So like our function is now ready. Then what we need to do is we need to call this function in every 2 hours. So we will create app.conf.beat underscore schedule is equal to add every -2 hour. Like if you have checked my previous video, you can do this by using Django salary beat in the admin section, but I am doing right over here because I need to tell all the methods through which you can create the tasks. So the task name is we need to add the task name. So the task name is, we need to grab the task name, send notification. Okay, send notification. So, and scheduling will be so like we need to, so for testing purpose I am adding every 1 minute. This task will run every 1 minute, and you can definitely change the time setting from using, you can add hour. So this will this task will run every hour. So for testing I'm just adding minute. So let's import one more thing. We need to import cron tab from salary.schedules, import cron tab. So like our now app is now good to go, and let's again run a server and again run our task. Let's run our salary beat. You can see the task is, the send notification task was called, and let's again register our user in profile section, and let's write my own email. Okay, let's save. Okay, so like now let's see, let's open our mail. So like as you can see, we have received the email that your account is not verified, and this scheduler will run every 2 hours. So we can use this kind of stuff, and we can see like you can see the task was called, send notification, and like you can do a lot of things using this salary. And you can call task, you can call SMS, you can send SMSs, you can send birthday invites. Like if we have to, if someone has a birthday on that particular day, you can send, yeah, happy birthday from this one. So you can do a lot of stuff. So this is it for the video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.